Welcome back to Freeing ERP. My name is Haley and today we are going to be learning how to create a new item in P21. We'll discuss where to create the new item and the bare minimum required to do it. First, we'll need to go to Item Maintenance. In order to do that, open the Inventory module. Then, open the Inventory Management submodule. After that, you'll go to the Maintenance folder. Finally, scroll down to find Item Maintenance. You can also go to the search bar to quickly find the window. When you load the window, double-click in the Item ID field. Enter what you want the new item ID to be in the search text field. Click the Add New button. Next, enter your item's description. After that, choose your default sales group and purchase group. Once you have those entered, switch over to the Unit Info tab. Enter your default unit of measure. Now, depending on your circumstances, your default sales unit, default sales pricing unit, default purchase unit, and default purchase pricing unit may have different units of measure. For the sake of this example, I'm going to make them all the same. However, if you need to enter another UOM, simply press the plus sign to add another line. So to add the UOM, enter your UOM in the field and hit Enter. Then simply check off the boxes that it goes to. Please note that all of these boxes have to be checked in order to create the new item. Next, go to the Supplier List column. Much like how you can have multiple UOMs for the item, you can also have multiple suppliers. Just hit the plus sign to add a new line. Go ahead and enter your supplier ID in the field. Now go to the Location List tab in the lower part of your window and enter your location ID. Again, we have our plus sign for multiple locations. After that, open up Location Detail and enter your product group ID. You'll get a pop-up asking if you want the general ledger for the product group to be set. Hit Yes. Once you've done that, select Save. If you did everything correctly, you will receive the Update was successful notification. Thanks for checking out today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment. Timestamps can be found in the description box. Before you go, please make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new P21 related content. It helps out the channel and will keep you up to date from when we post a new video. See you next time.